Okay, we're back at the tank. So all the daylights are on right now. It's about 1:30. All the fish are out. Everything's fine. So, first when you come look at the tank every couple days, you'll notice the temperature over here. It's one of the first things you could check. It should always be within the green margin there, about 80 to 82 degrees. Couple things I can show you around the tank, if you might be wondering. The plastic thing in this corner, filled with all the green spaghetti looking stuff, is Chaeto algae. So it basically filters your water, helps it stay cleaner. The female right here, she sleeps underneath the rock on the very top. So once in a while you might be looking at my water and noticing these little green things floating around. Little curly green strings. That's just the algae. It's nothing to worry about. If you see tiny little blue flakes in the water once in a while, or coming from the skimmer, that's from this blue sponge here. Because I took scissors to it a couple weeks ago, so there's still little flakes coming off of it. Other than that, this pump should be on, spinning. That pump should be on, spinning. That heater stays fully submerged on the back wall there. So I can show you the skimmer as well. Here's the skimmer back here. As you can see, there's some bubbles working its way up the neck of the skimmer. So bubbles go up the neck, hit the top, and collect inside the cup. So I just emptied this cup, but I can show you how it's done. Come over here to this side, you see a little black screw. Loosen this black screw just enough so you can pull this out. You'll notice this little O-ring here, that's to hold it from falling any further. Don't have to move this. Just pick this up, take it on out. Might want to get a towel, hold a towel underneath there, and run this over to the bathroom. When you run that to the bathroom, I'll show you, for instance. Just come in here like this. Whoops. The lid on the side here. And this will be full of green, gross, gunky liquid that stinks horribly. So you just take this, dump it into the toilet, flush the toilet, turn on the tap, fill it up with a little bit of water, splash it around just a little bit, dump it out, and you're done. Don't even really have to get your hands wet. Put the lid right back on. Now, come back with me back to the tank. And put this right back on how it was. That O-ring shouldn't have moved, so it should be about the same height. And you'll go back to the black screw, tighten it back on there. Not too tight, just enough so you start to feel the pressure, and it's fine. So that's as simple as that. Another thing I can show you here now is how to top up. So you can see this plastic egg crate I put on the back of here, this grid. Now you have to take this off when you want to feed the fish. So I cut some holes in this just to get the cords coming through. So that's where the cords come out on this side. Try to cut out room for this. Cut out room for that. And over here you'll see another power cord just sticking through there. So you'll know which way this goes on by the little holes there. So I'll take the egg crate off. So you pick it up, lift it off. And we'll just set it down for a minute. So now you can see it's off. Now I'll pause this and I'll be right back and I'll show you how to do the feeding and top up.